From meal kits to music streaming, subscription-based e-commerce is transforming how we shop, stream, and live. But what makes it so powerful? And why is it being called the future of online retail? Let's break it down. Unlike traditional e-commerce, where customers make a one-time purchase, subscription-based e-commerce offers products or services on a recurring basis, monthly, quarterly, or annually. It's convenient, customizable, and creates long-term value for both businesses and customers. There are three major types of subscription models. Replenishment subscriptions. Think of toilet paper, groceries, or pet food delivered just before you run out. Curation subscriptions. Personalized boxes filled with surprises like skincare or snacks. Access subscriptions like Amazon Prime or Netflix, where you get exclusive content, perks, or savings. So why are businesses flocking to this model? Predictable revenue, better business forecasting, stronger customer loyalty. Customers love the automation, personalization, and convenience, while businesses enjoy the stability. To build a winning subscription model, companies need a few key strategies. Know your audience. Use data to offer what they truly want. Craft a clear value proposition. Why should they subscribe to you and not your competitor? Deliver a seamless user experience. Sign-ups, upgrades, and cancellations should be effortless. Smart pricing. Offer tiers, free trials, and discounts for annual commitments. Subscription models offer serious advantages to businesses. Higher customer retention, better inventory and revenue projections, increased profitability and scalable growth. Brands can bundle, personalize, and upsell more effectively, driving long-term engagement. Let's talk about real success stories. HelloFresh made meal kits convenient and customizable. KiwiCo turned science projects into a monthly adventure for kids. Netflix and Spotify revolutionized how we consume media with smart, personalized subscriptions. Subscription-based e-commerce isn't just a trend, it's a transformation. It fuels consistent growth, deeper customer relationships, and a better overall experience. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, it's time to ask, what could your business offer as a subscription? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What subscription service do you use the most? For more tips on e-commerce trends and strategies, stick with us. Thanks for watching.